Welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can read How to Hold His Leash series in Webtoon. So guys, just go ahead and open your Webtoon first. So to read this How to Hold His Leash series, all you need to do is just go ahead and tap on the search button and now type in the name. And guys, you can see right at the top the option. Just go ahead and tap there. And now first you'll be given this preview. Just go ahead and read it. And once you read the preview, if you like it, just go ahead and tap on continue to read. And now you're in episode 1. This is how you read How to Hold His Leash. You can also see the comments made by other readers. Scroll at the bottom, or you can also see it right here. And now you can see comments made by other readers, and you can also see the likes right here. If you want similar series like this, then just go ahead and tap on recommendation, and now you can find other series as well. Guys, there you go. That's how you read How to Hold His Leash in Webtoon. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.